Time for your morning rush. All the top stories you need to know before you start your day. Governor Gov McMaster is expected to ease up on some of the coronavirus restrictions by reopening beaches and retail stores as early as Tuesday. However, officials from the city of Isle of Palms, the town of Sullivan's Island, the city of Folly Beach, and the town of Edisto Beach released a joint statement regarding reopening. They say there is no evidence from medical professionals that the threat of COVID-19 has decreased. Because of this, all 4 coastal municipalities will continue to maintain beach entry checkpoints and access restrictions. DHEC reported 136 new COVID-19 cases in South Carolina, bringing the total number up to 4,377 cases statewide. The agency also reported 1 additional death. That person was middle-aged with no known underlying health conditions from Jasper County. The death toll is now 120 here in the Palmetto State. And on Friday, DHEC began giving projections of recoveries of confirmed cases of the coronavirus and estimated that 67% of people have recovered. These recovery numbers will be updated every Tuesday and Friday. Well, President Donald Trump says the U.S. has conducted more than 4.8 million coronavirus tests, by far more than any other nation. The president announced his administration's plans to use the Defense Production Act to compel increased production of test swabs, but some governors say more and widespread testing networks are needed before they can reopen their states' economies. And one local church will collect food and other necessities to help families in need today. Shannon Baptist Church will hold a curbside collection to specifically help families in the Richland 1 and 2 school districts. Community members can drop off donations today between 10 in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening at the church located on Forest Drive. The group is looking for individually packaged food items, canned pasta and meat, as well as vegetable or fruit cups. Personal care products can also be donated, such as diapers, toiletry items, and cleaning products. They say gas or grocery cards can also be donated. And finally, starting at 8 o'clock this morning, a detour for drivers in Columbia will be in place for one section of Assembly Street. Representatives with Norfolk Southern say the railroad crossing on Assembly Street between Catawba and Whaley Streets requires some repairs. The area is expected to reopen Thursday morning at 8 a.m., so keep that in mind.